everybody, Nicole Schreiber here from Rejuve Aesthetics inside of the Rejuve Medical Center, and today we are going to be doing a microdermabrasion treatment on our lovely model that we have here this afternoon. I love microdermabrasion treatments for all skin types. It's really great for dry skin, oily skin, normal skin. I love this treatment also for oily or acne prone skin because it's really good at exfoliating the top layer of dead skin cells off and really helping to control oil production. Another issue that normally happens with that skin type is enlarged pores, and this really helps to just kind of bring the pores back down to their normal size and really help alleviate any type of congestion that might be inside of them. So today though, we're not really treating any of those. We are actually treating with microdermabrasion for anti-aging, and our model here today has had this done before. And do you feel that this is a pretty comfortable procedure?
Yeah, it's not irritating or painful at all. It actually feels refreshing.
Does it? Mm-hmm. The thing that I like about microdermabrasion too is as soon as we are done with our treatment today, she can get up and go right back to work. You're not going to know that she had anything done. She might have a little bit of flushing in her skin. It might look a little bit like you just had a really vigorous workout, but not anything that would be of concern. So, any questions that you have before we get started?
No, like you said, I've had this done before, and most people, you know, they wonder what it feels like, and it's just like a mild rubbing that you feel. It's nothing painful.
Sounds good. Well, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to roll over here. So the type of microdermabrasion treatment that we use is diamond-tipped microdermabrasion. So this is actually going to be just a diamond-tipped wand that is going to gently glide across the surface of our model's skin. I'm just going to turn you to the side here, check my suction, and gently glide this across the surface of your skin. How does that feel for you?
Feels great.
Any pain?
No pain at all.
Awesome. So with microdermabrasion, these diamond tips are actually just gently lifting the dead skin cells off the surface of her skin. It's going to really polish her skin and leave her feeling very refreshed, like she said. The overall texture of the skin when we're finished is going to be a lot softer, a lot smoother. It's going to have a really nice bright glow to it as well, which is something that we all really want. We want glowing skin. I'm sure you guys can kind of hear a little bit of the suction and see some of that. What that suction is doing is really helping to suck away and lift away any of those dead skin cells that are being lifted from our microdermabrasion. And you can kind of see some of that coming up on her forehead here, right in there. Turn you here. The other thing that the suction on this is doing is helping to really increase her microcirculation. So increasing the microcirculation in her skin is really going to bring a lot more blood flow to the skin, which helps to have more of a detoxification effect. It's also going to help with giving her that really nice rosy bright glow that we're all looking for. How are you feeling so far?
Feels great.
What do you think is your favorite part of having this treatment done?
I think my favorite part is like when I'm finished, it feels very clean and fresh. And I can tell that the fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes look lessened.
Awesome. So like I said, we're really treating for her for anti-aging today with this. And this is something that has been done in a combination of other treatments. The last treatment that we did on this particular model was a pretty deep chemical peel. What was that, about a month ago?
Mm-hmm.
And so this is going to help to continue to maintain those results for her and really give her that nice, smooth, line-free skin that she's looking for. The other great thing about microdermabrasion for this time of year is that a lot of people really struggle between seasonal changes. And I know that's something that's been an issue for you in the past. You get pretty dry in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why we're seeing so many of these flakes getting picked up right now. This is a great treatment to have done during some of the seasonal changes because we can really remove that dry, dead winter skin and get some hydration back in there and get you ready for spring. Still feeling okay?
Yep, feels fine.
Great. So microdermabrasion is a treatment that can be done once every 2 weeks for really intense treatments if we're looking at wanting to get to that end goal or finish line a lot faster. I would recommend having something like this, especially for our model today who's looking for anti-aging, having something like this done about once a month. Having monthly treatments is really going to allow us to remove that buildup of dead skin cells, and especially for anti-aging, it's going to keep those skin cells turning over at a rate that is going to keep them young, healthy, and moving along, and really just keeping them producing the way that we want to, so they don't lose that nice elastin that's going to give us a snap to our skin. We're not going to lose that hydration that keeps those cells nice and pumped up. If you had to describe what you're feeling with the microdermabrasion, what does this feel like?
It's just a super late, very, very super late, like scratching.
Comfortable?
Very comfortable.
If I wasn't doing all this talking, do you think you'd be sleeping?
I would definitely be sleeping.
So as you can see here, with the second pass really picking up some of that flaky dead skin cells. And helping to remove any of the excess buildup inside of those pores. I'm going to go over a few of these flakier or drier areas with just one more pass, just because we really want to be very thorough to make sure that you get the best results that you can. This is a treatment that's really safe for anybody. It's also great for this time of year because as we're getting into our sunnier months, it's not something that you have to avoid sun exposure with. Now granted, if you came in with a sunburn, I probably wouldn't want to treat you with this. We would want to wait a good 2 weeks so we didn't cause any additional damage in your skin, but outside of that, this is very safe to do on tanned skin, or for those of us who really like to, you know, garden, get out on the boat, do some of those fun outdoor activities in the summer. So that's it for microdermabrasion. If you want to just take a closer look at our model's skin here and see that she's just a little pink, there's a little bit of flushing through here. I'm probably going to go back and do just one more pass on some of these areas of dry skin for her. And then we'll apply customized serums, moisturizer, and of course sunscreen to really help prevent additional damage for her. But I wanted to let you guys know, if you have additional questions about this or want to learn a little bit more, feel free to email us at aesthetics, that's ESTHETICS, at rejuvemedical.com, or you can even schedule a free consult by calling us at 320-217-8480. Thanks so much, guys. We're looking forward to seeing you next time.